Does it seem difficult changing parts on your powered respiratory equipment? I'm John, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to change the filters in our CleanAir Basic and Aergo power units. This is the basic unit, and the filter is inside the front piece there. So you have the front cover with two side catches on it. Simply lift the catches and remove the front cover like this. This is the filter, which simply pulls out. So to change your filter, simply get a new filter and it slots back in. You might want to put a pre-filter on first. So this is the pre-filter. Simply wraps around the outer edge of the main particle filter and is stuck down by a small adhesive pad. Simply push the new filter in, take your front cover, click it back on, you're ready to go. The Aergo unit is slightly different. It has two filters which screw in. So unscrew the filter like this. Every filter has its own seal, so there's no need to change seals. So to change the filter on this one, simply remove it, screw a new one back in. On the front of these filters, you can remove the front section like this, and inside there is where your pre-filter and a spark guard, which is used for grinding and welding, is housed. Simply clip back the front on like so, screw your filter in, and you're ready to go.